Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a thank you letter for donation. What's a thank you letter? Thank you letter or letter of thanks is used when one person wants to express appreciation and gratitude towards the other person. A thank you letter can be classified into two types. They are personal appreciation letters and professional appreciation letters. Writing Practices will show you step by step to write the thank you letter for donation. Check this out. First of all, you will need to write down the date today. In this case is August 29, 2023. And then, write the full name of the recipient of this letter. After that, you can write down the position and the organization of the recipient. Don't forget to also write the address including the street, city, and the zip code. And now, you can open the letter with Dear followed by the recipient name, or you can also write Dear Sir or Dear Madam. In the first paragraph, you can introduce yourself as an individual or a representative of an organization. And then, you can write the point you are writing this letter. In this example, I am a representative of an elementary school and I want to thank the recipient about their donation, which is 5 computers. For the next, in the second paragraph, you can tell more about the school, the problem they faced, and how the donation of the recipient is really helpful for them. And you can give details how the computers play important roles for the school, especially the students. And the last paragraph, you can once again thank the recipient for helping the students and school. Close the letter with sincerely, and add your signature, completely with your full name. You can also write your position in the school, such as the principal. This is optional. So, that's all about how to write a thank you letter for donation step by step. Are you ready to write your own thank you letter? Happy practicing!